I think first half we won the football game.
Saya rasa babak pertama kita menang dalam permainan sepak bola.
And second half we won the mental game.
Di babak kedua kita menang secara mental.
3-0, I think we scored 3 beautiful goals.
Saya rasa kita cetak 3 gol yang sangat indah.
And then, it's like a team sport.
Ini olahraga tim.
And I think the first goal we didn't do what we mentioned at halftime.
Di apa yang kita inginkan di babak kedua awalnya tidak berjalan dengan baik.
But if the opponent scored 2 goals in that phase,
Tapi ketika lawan mencetak gol dalam fase itu,
and at that moment I read
di momen itu saya membaca
how strong is my team.
seberapa kuat tim saya.
Because at that moment you have to deal with the threat of the opponent.
Di momen itu
You
kita
have to deal with the
ancaman lawan
you have to deal with disappointment.
dengan
You have to
kekecewaan,
deal with fear.
takut.
And I think we had to play 20 minutes in that state.
Dalam 20 menit kita bermain dalam keadaan
So
seperti
then you
itu.
have to show yourself as a team. It happens in sport.
Dan itu terjadi dalam
You
olahraga.
see every week sometimes they score last minutes to get 2 goals or
Tiap minggu bisa lihat kebobolan 20 menit akhir 2 gol bahkan.
but at that moment I want to see my flexibility. If there's a team
Di momen itu saya ingin melihat
who
fleksibilitas
can fight and take the 3 points to the end.
siapa saja,
Where's the desire?
di mana
Where's
hasratnya,
the security in each other?
rasa nyamannya satu sama lain.
And of course there will be people who say, how is it possible you get 2 goals
Ya,
against second half?
Pasti banyak orang yang bilang enggak, kenapa bisa kebobolan 2 gol cepat.
Listen, finally it's sport.
Tapi pada akhirnya itu olahraga.
For me,
Itu terjadi.
it's more how strong you are as a team
Seberapa kuat kita sebagai tim
to deal with that fact.
untuk menghadapi fakta seperti
And
itu.
maybe I'm even more proud on the last phase and that we killed the game
Bahkan jauh saya bangga dalam tim ini
than that we
akhir
scored the 3 goals because it's
daripada
very easy.
kita mencetak 3 gol karena itu sangat gampang.
Every good team can score in these opportunities the 3 goals.
Siapapun dengan tim yang bagus bisa
But
mencetak
not every
peluang
team
seperti itu.
can show the mental strength.
Tapi tidak semua tim yang bisa menunjukkan
To don't
kekuatan
drop.
mental untuk tidak
And we kept on
jatuh.
playing football.
Kita tetap
We
bermain,
don't kick the balls away.
kita tidak tendang-tendang bolanya,
And I think we killed the game.
dan kita hancurkan permainannya.
And I think that's maybe even the biggest victory.
Itu bahkan kemenangan terbesar menurut saya.
Start the game in perfect way. We use our chances.
Kita mulai game dengan sempurna.
We miss one chance, the first one. With Alex, it was clear chance.
Dengan Alex juga tadi kekurangan.
After this, we use our chances. We said on halftime that we cannot get relaxed, especially when you have players like Bankara in the attack that they can punish you.
Terus di babak kedua juga kita tidak bisa kelengahan karena dengan kekuatan Bayangkara yang bisa menyerang.
But most important, we show the mental strength after the second goal that we received in the second half.
Tapi kekuatan mental setelah kita kebobolan 2 gol itu tadi.
We fight for every ball. We also managed to make 2-3 clear chances to close the game.
Kita berjuang dan kita menciptakan 3 peluang yang cukup jelas.
But what is most important that we fight until the end and we get the 3 points.
Yang paling penting kita berjuang sampai akhir dan kita mendapatkan 3 poin.
The discussion with players is private.
Diskusi sama pemain itu pribadi
But
sifatnya.
I can explain why we scored the 3 goals.
Tapi saya bisa jelaskan di mana kita bisa mencetak gol.
We expected Meyer from the right side.
Kita tadi memperkirakan Mayer itu dari sisi kanan.
And we had the tactic that
Kita ada taktik.
Alta Bala would always go with him in the midfield.
Alta Bala ngikut terus sama dia sampai bahkan ke tengah.
They changed their tactics a little bit. Nangolan played from the left side.
Ternyata mereka ganti taktiknya dengan Nainggolan yang di kiri.
And I'm also very happy in that we changed immediately.
Saya sangat senang dengan mereka
Because
juga menyesuaikan.
if you look back to the game,
Kalau dilihat lagi game
Adi, he defended in the midfield on Nangolan.
Adi yang jaga Nainggolan bahkan sampai ke tengah.
And Fabi had to do a lot of defensive, but we knew.
Dan Feby yang lebih
We knew
bertahan.
if
Kita
we
udah
give
tahu.
Meyer space, if we
Kita
give
tahu
Nangolan
Meyer
space,
dan ruang-ruangnya di mana untuk Nainggolan.
Brandao
juga.
space, then it would be different.
Brandao.
So we had a plan,
Kita ada perencanaan
we had to change,
dan kita harus ubah.
and it was no problem.
Dan itu gak ada masalah.
Adi went in the midfield, we keep pressure on
Adi
Nangolan.
bahkan dengan
Adi had to
Nainggolan
defend.
pressure harus bertahan juga.
So we played more in the man market.
Kita main dengan man marking.
And it was, I think, very interesting and very good, and that's why we scored 3 goals.
Dan itu makanya kita juga bisa cetak 3 gol.
We do it like this.
Kita lakukan seperti ini.
I already mentioned the players 4 weeks ago.
Saya sudah sebutkan ke pemain, saya bilang 5 minggu
If
yang
this
lalu.
is the ranking,
Kalau ini rankingnya,
it's for me easy
lebih gampang.
with my age.
Udah umur saya.
First we have to be with first 8.
Pertama kita harus dengan
That was a
top 8
phase.
dulu.
There was a phase that also we had to look also to the bottom.
Ada fase-fase juga kita harus melihat ke bawah.
So the first goal was get to the top 8.
Tujuan pertamanya kita harus ke top 8 dulu.
If that goal is achieved,
Kalau udah,
you go to the next one.
terus selanjutnya
It's top 6.
top 6.
We are 7.
Dengan sekarang kita di 7.
After that, I told them, then we go to position first 4.
Setelah itu kita akan ke
I think for me as a coach
sebagai
and as a
pelatih,
team, you must have
saya-
direction.
dan sebagai tim kita harus punya arah.
And we were far behind, so for me to help the team,
Kita jauh tertinggal, tapi untuk saya bantu pemain
take it step by step.
langkah demi langkah.
First goal is top 8.
Gol pertama top 8.
Next goal is top 6.
Tujuan selanjutnya top 6.
If we can achieve it, we achieve it.
Kalau kita bisa mencapainya, kita bisa capai.
But at least we have a big compliment that we already close now. I think 2 points from Kediri.
Tapi seenggaknya kita sudah sangat dekat 2 poin dari Kediri.
But we play against teams that will fight for relegation. So
Tapi kita akan melawan tim
sometimes not the easiest games.
yang berjuang melawan degradasi. Dan itu kadang bukan game yang mudah.
And the next game,
Game selanjutnya,
I can even not understand it.
bahkan saya juga tidak agak kurang mengerti.
I think we missed 3 or 4 players because they play interland games
Ya kita akan kehilangan 3 pemain mungkin gara-gara
against Pesita.
melawan Persita nanti. Ada
OJ will not be there, Ricky
Nggak
will
ada
not be
OJ,
there,
Ricky.
Eggy will not be there, Alta is suspended.
Alta juga suspend.
Maybe Osman will be, but I cannot imagine that we have to play that game without our players.
Saya tidak bisa membayangkan kita harus main tanpa
So I hope there will be a solution.
Saya harap ada solusi dengan
Because
di timnas ini.
I think fair chances in the competition, it's always the basic in sport.
Dasarnya olahraga itu adalah keadilan, sistem keadilan dari para tim.
But we
Itu
cannot
yang
play, we leave players to for interland games
pertama. Kita tinggal para pemain untuk ke
for the national team, and then we play for position number 6 or 4.
itu tuh 4 atau 6.
Okay, if it's the rule, I will accept.
Dan kalau itu aturannya saya harus terima.
For me, in my sport heart,
Tapi di jiwa olahraga saya
and for the players,
dan para pemain juga,
a whole season you try to build, and
sepanjang musim itu kita coba membangun.
then you will miss players.
Ya kita kehilangan.
And of course, I hope for the national team they will perform.
Tentu di timnas saya harap mereka juga bisa perform
So I don't say we keep them with us, but
dan tidak mengatakan untuk ya harus di
because
kita
they should play for the national
karena
team.
mereka harus bermain di
But
timnas.
I hope that maybe we can postpone our game.
Dan saya harap kita bisa menunda game kita.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya bola spotter.